Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here and you've never seen my face before, my name is Joy Navon. Feel free to just call me Joy. So as the title suggests, I am super excited to be able to announce and share this information with you, as I am equally as nervous, but I am going to be renovating my first house. Crazy. There is a catch because I did not buy a house. Not yet anyway. It is not my house, but it is my mom's house. So just to back up a bit and rein you in for context, because I know you're probably sitting there like, Joy, what? But you guys, I have just completely shifted my entire life. My life has completely changed in so many different ways. I have started my journey here in front of so many of you as a beauty content creator for a very long time, especially having transitioned into doing it full-time and now having management and now it just being like a full-blown career. I'm completely in a new realm and space of creation, and part of that creation has just allowed me to believe in myself and really just tell myself that it's okay to change and it's okay to do new things, and really just listen to that nagging thought in the back of your mind of like, do the biggest thing that you could possibly do that you've always been afraid of. And that is what this is for me. So I have officially decided to take the next step forward and follow my dream of interior design and become an interior decorator. So yes, that does mean taking clients, and who knows, maybe it could be you, one of you, I don't know. For now, my first client is my mom, and I am just so excited about it. Now, we can definitely talk more about why, and I'm sure my mom would be happy to come back to the channel and sit and talk with you guys about her vision and her why as to like the reason why all this is happening right now. But we can save that for another time and get into why we're all here, because we're all here to talk about the house. So my mom's house is a split level home built in the 1970s. It is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,200 square feet. Now don't worry, I will not be doing this on my own. This is not something that I just have decided to take on full-fledged by my own accord, okay? My husband also, who loves carpentry and working with his hands, you guys have seen him help me with tons of projects before. He will definitely be right alongside. And of course, we will be outsourcing help, like from professionals, if there's ever like any major projects that we need someone to come in and do. That is absolutely not anything that we are trying to handle on our own. But for the most part, this is just going to be a family affair. Something that we're doing realistically. Like, we're budgeting, we're thinking about like affordable things that we can get, we're doing DIYs, like everything that we could do to cut costs is how we're trying to move and shake. So if anything, I hope that watching this process can be inspirational to you guys for a lot of different reasons, but especially just to show that you can do things for yourself on your own without it being so expensive. One of my favorite things that my mom always says is that this is not just my house, this is the family's house. And it really is. This is something that is going to be major for my family. Like, we do everything at my mom's house. I'm talking about holidays, so Christmas, birthdays, game nights, cookouts. Like, my husband and I even got married in the backyard a few years ago. So this house has a very, very special place in my heart. And being able to work on a project like this, especially with my mom being my first client, me being able to share it with my audience across all of my platforms, because I'm literally getting ready to bombard all of my platforms with this content, is just really, really special and really so exciting for me. So that's really all I had to say and share for today, but I hope you guys come back and follow along for the journey. I hope you subscribe. Follow me on all social media platforms at joynavon. Just share, tell a friend, turn your notification bell on, like this video. And yeah, you guys, leave me a comment down below and just let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're just equally as excited to see. The next video is actually going to be us getting right into it and doing the first thing that we did, which was pull up the carpet. And my mom has a lot of carpet, so that should be interesting, and I hope you guys are ready to see it. But until then, I will just see you guys soon. Bye.